Are you ready for some fun Northern Cascades? And see what this park's all about. I'm afraid of heights, and this is a little bit sketchy. It's already a few hundred feet in the air over here. Holy crap, I'm getting nervous. Look below us, Tyson.
I'm not down this pool.
Look at that. Lay flat. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost there. How's it feel? Don't worry, I got that on video, Jackie. Hey, Jackie. Doing good?
I am grossly out of shape.
Use your balance, Jackie.
Hey, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna take a picture of both of you.
Okay.